The Climate Action Plan is about securing our future. This plan sets out a clear roadmap for taking decisive action to halve our emissions by 2030 and reach net zero no later than 2050.
The science is indisputable and the effects of climate change are already clear. Extreme weather events are becoming more frequent with devastating consequences. Ireland is at risk of more frequent and more serious storms and flooding. Climate change is already seriously impacting on our world, with risks to global security and food supplies.
The Climate Action Plan will help build an Ireland where communities can enjoy clean air and water and homes that are warmer and cheaper to heat. Where thousands of new jobs are created in areas like offshore wind and retrofitting. Where walking and cycling will be safe and accessible and public transport cleaner and more frequent. Where farmers can have a more viable future, continuing to produce world-class food with an even lower carbon footprint.
We know we must act. By acting now, we can build a cleaner, greener economy and society, which creates opportunities for us all.